Hey guys, this is Tony, and today I'm going to show you how I wash my car in the wintertime. You know, I live in a cooler climate, so washing a car with a garden hose and a bucket wash is not feasible, otherwise it'll freeze all over the driveway and the garage. So I'm going to show you how I wash the car with using a foam sprayer. I'm going to be using the Adams foam sprayer. You'll see a previous video of mine where I actually review this particular sprayer. So I'll be showing you how I wash my vehicle in the garage without using any water. So I'll show you some techniques that I have, and they'll be very helpful, especially removing all the salt and all the grime that winter definitely throws that all over us. So again, we'll definitely go through a safe technique how to wash your car and to avoid scratching. Stay tuned. So let's quickly go through what you'll need to wash your car in the wintertime, again, without using a garden hose or a bucket wash itself. So the main thing you're going to be using is the foam sprayer. So once again, you want to view a previous video of mine that goes through the instructions on how to properly use one. So I've actually put about 20 ounces of warm water inside, and I'll add the car wash soap in a few moments. You'll also need quite a few microfiber cloths. You'll definitely need anywhere from 10 to 12. And that's my preference. I definitely want to use both sides of the microfiber. I don't want to use the soiled side or the dirty side on the vehicle. Once again, you definitely want to avoid scratching. So hence the reason why you have maybe quite a few microfiber cloths to use. I also have this bucket here, and once I'm done using the microfiber towel, I'll definitely throw it into the bucket so I won't use it any longer. And of course, you need a good car shampoo, good car wash that is highly lubricated. So I'm definitely going to use the Meguiar's Gold Class for this example. One of my favorites for sure. Great value and just a great car wash, or car shampoo itself. So those are the three main things you will need. So let's go ahead and start putting our car wash soap into the foam sprayer. So I have 2 ounces of the Meguiar's Gold Class car wash, and I'll add it into the warm water. Okay, so I've added the car soap. Now I just want to mix it slowly. You don't want to shake it up because you don't want the soap to be foamy inside the foam sprayer, where again it may not be as foamy when you spray it out. So just gently, just kind of do a quick mix here, just a little spin. And then you're ready to go. So to give you an idea, the car is very dirty. It has a lot of salt on it. So you can see it hasn't been washed for quite some time. It has a lot of salt on the car, dirt. So it's definitely well overdue for a wash. So we're going to do one panel at a time. You definitely want to focus on one area, and then clean it off, and then worry about the other one, because you don't want it to freeze. You don't want to spray the whole side and potentially having the foam freeze on you. So definitely one part at a time. Another important thing that gets missed that we're definitely going to look into are the door hinges. This one's not as bad, but you see it's still quite dirty. So again, not to avoid the door hinges. And also, inside the trunk, again, cleaning out the whole car like you would do typically. All right, so I pumped up the foam sprayer, and we are ready to foam it. Let's get going. Microfiber cloth, I like to fold it in 4 so I can get good use of it. And ideally, you don't want to press too hard on it. So you just want to grab one end and ever so gently wash it forward. So you can see that's one side of it. The grime, from the winter, what it does. So I folded the cloth, microfiber cloth. Just doing a full round here. Putting on the clean side. So that's how it's looking so far for one panel. So now you want to get, again, a clean side of the cloth. I'm still using the same one. And just wipe it down. Just getting rid of any last residue. And just flip the towel. Definitely an improvement. So here's the front panel of the car, how it's looking. As you can see, what a difference. Compared with this side of the car. So again, what you want to do is not force the microfiber cloth when you're wiping the car off. You want to avoid scratches, so just ever so gently across the vehicle. Let the soap and the sprayer do the job. And here's the final result. What a difference. Foam sprayer actually works really well. Here's all my microfiber towels, all the dirty ones. I'm just gonna throw in the wash. It'll be good for future use. As you can see, just, yeah, again, just kudos to the Meguiar's Gold Class Car Shampoo. Great lubricity and really just easily comes off. Even clean the wheels. As you can see, I don't know if you remember before, they were really dirty. So this is a much better way to clean your car. I know a lot of people take their cars to the car wash. I recommend not to do that just because of the high pressure of water that goes on your car's surface. It's just too strong of a stream, and again, it does take a little time to put it, clean your car in the garage if you have the garage capability. If you don't, you can still do it. You can use a bucket of warm water, put your microfiber cloths in there, warm to hot water. So it's really easier to clean if you're actually doing it outside if you don't have an access to a garage. So there's different ways of doing so. This example was in the garage, so if you have that ability, definitely a lot easier and more comfortable to work with for sure. All right, well, thanks everyone for watching this video. If you liked the video, please click on that like button and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Well, thanks everyone for watching this video again. God bless. See you in the next one.